Are you do the homework in your notes? Okay. Listen to it, children. In this lesson, in this first lesson, I wonder lesson, in this chapter, we have some grammar. We have some grammar in this chapter. Okay, children. How can we use a and articles? A and. How can we use a and? Okay. Once all of you listen to me carefully. Children, you know that? How many alphabets? You know the alphabets? How many alphabets? Totally 26 alphabets. How many? 26 alphabets. These 26 alphabets is divided into. These 26 alphabets divided into vowels, consonants. Already we learned this in previous class. Vowels, consonants. How many vowels? 5 vowels. How many vowels, ma? 5 vowels. And how many consonants? 21 consonants. You know the 21 consonants and 5 vowels. What is the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. What is the vowels, ma? A, E, I, O, U. Vowels is A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels, you know that 5 vowels? Okay. Listen to it, ma. We use an. We use an before the word starting with a vowel sound. Okay. We use an before a word starting. Before a word starting means and. What is this? What is this word? This word starts with a vowel. Yes or no? A. A-N-T. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. And vowel sound. Before this vowel sound, we use an article. Okay? Before this vowel sound, we use an article. Okay, once again, listen, ma. All of you, listen to me. We use an before word beginning with a vowel sound. We use an before words beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, examples. Listen. E, G, G, egg. How can we write? We use which article here? This is the E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. These words starts with a vowel. E, vowel. This word starts with a vowel, but we are using here an. And next, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. This umbrella. U is a vowel consonant. Vowel. U, vowel. This vowel sound we use before. We use before an. Okay? Umbrella, vowel sound. U, E, A, E, I, O, U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U is vowels. 5 vowels. Next, eyes. I-C-E, eyes. Which one is this? This is the vowel. What is this? Vowel. Before vowel. Before vowel sounds we use an. Okay. Before vowel sound we use an. Okay. When we are use a. When we are use a. Listen. A before words beginning with a consonant sound. This A we use in consonant sound. Before a word start with a consonant. A word start. Once again, look at here. BAT, bat. BAT, bat. This is the vowel consonant. This is the consonant. But we are use this before this consonant word. These words start with the consonant. We use before a. This consonant sounds. This word before we use a. And then next CAT, cat. C consonant vowel, consonant. This consonant sound we use before a. Okay. Next MAT, mat. MAT, mat. This mat before we use a. Okay. Next once again look here, ma. Onion. Okay, we will take orange. ORANGE. Okay, orange. This orange. Orange. O. Which sound is this? O. Vowel sound. Okay. This vowel sound before we use an. Okay. Calf. What is this? Calf. This is the consonant we use a. A new car. New car. This is the consonant sound. This is start with the consonant word because we will use a. Okay. Listen. Here given some examples is there, ma, in this textbook. This is your textbook. All of you have textbook. Okay. Complete the sentences by filling a or an. Once I will write on blackboard. First is the have you ever looked after dash dog? Have you ever looked after okay. Listen. Have you ever looked after dash dog? We use here O, that is a D is a vowel or consonant. Dog, vowel or consonant. This is the consonant. This is the consonant. This is the consonant. This word is start with the consonant sound, but we use a. Okay. This is a word start with the consonant, we use a. And then next one. These there is dash good film playing at the Apsara. Okay, look here, ma. There is a dash good film playing at the Apsara. Once. This is a G is a vowel consonant. G is consonant. This word start with the consonant letter. But this here I will write a. Okay. These consonant sound before we use a. Next, third one. Dash and has fallen into my coffee. Okay. Dash and has fallen into my coffee. This is a vowel or consonant. This is a vowel. A is vowel. These words start with the vowel sound. A-N-T, and. But we will write here and. We use the and. Okay. An ant has fallen into my coffee. The complete that sentence. And then fourth one. What is the fourth one? We saw. Dash old lion in the zoo. Look at all of you. Look here. We saw dash old lion in the zoo. These words start with the vowel. These words start with the vowel. Before we write, we use the and. This vowel before we use and. And then fifth one. Sumit wants to have dash ice cream. Okay, look at Sumit wants to have dash ice cream. This is the vowel or consonant. Vowel. This I in vowels. These word start with the vowel sound. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Ice cream. Okay, we use here and. Okay. Then sixth one. Dash orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Grows on dash tree. These sixth one is dash orange grows on dash tree. Once you look at map, this is a start with the vowel. The word start with the vowel because we use here an. O-R-A-N-G, orange. The words start with vowel sound. Orange. Okay. We use an. An orange grows on dash tree. What we write here? A. Why? Because these words start with a consonant sound. T. T-R-E-E. Tree. Last one, seventh one. I write here seventh one. Surabhi. Brought dash look here, the Surabhi brought dash eraser yesterday. These words start with the vowel sound. Eraser. What is that? Eraser. Before we use an eraser. An eraser. Okay. This is your grammar point of in the first lesson. Okay. Tomorrow we learn about the new lesson. Okay.